Hey guys, what's back? What? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, I can't talk. So for today's video, I wanted to do a what is on my iPhone. I've never done one of these before. Now I'm throwing my phone everywhere. So yeah, let's just jump right into it. I'm going to show you guys my screensaver. Oh, I should probably tell you what kind of phone I have. I have the oldie but a goodie. This is the iPhone 6s Max. Yes, this phone is 4 years old. I have no intentions of changing it. My storage is completely maxed out. But my phone's pretty organized, actually. I don't have one of those crazy, like, disgusting phones. Mainly my storage is made up of, I would say, pictures, probably, because I've had it for 4 years. I have 1,000,001 pictures on this thing. So this is my screensaver. Oh, crap. Hi, there's the camera. Okay, but anyway, that's Gonzalo 9 Universal. Yay. Here is my case. This is from, it's just like a marble-y, pinky case. This is from Five Below. Great store for phone cases. Love this thing. Snaps together and it has the rubber on the inside. So yeah, let's just jump right into it. So this is what my phone looks like. I'm just gonna hold it like back a little bit. There's Gonzalo again because he's my favorite. And then at the bottom here, it would zoom in. My face is in it. I have all my apps at the bottom there, as you can see. So I'm gonna show you what they all are. So for this one, I have it named as entertainment, if it would stop. And this is where I just have all my main apps: Instagram, YouTube, Snapchat, the weather, my photos. I have Netflix, the health app, some games, Prime. Can't talk. What else? And Regal, the Crew app, and then my settings. So that's just all my main apps, and I have it under the heading entertainment. Mainly because the main things that I do on my phone are the first three at the top: Instagram, YouTube, Snapchat. If you didn't know, I do have a Twitter. I do not have a Facebook. Don't use Twitter often at all. Not really a big fan, but whatever. Next up, I have productivity. In the productivity, I just have FaceTime, Messenger, phone app. I have the activity app at the bottom, my music, the calendar, camera. And then I have my Nuvaring app. If you don't know what that is, that's my birth control. That's how I track that. I have my wallet, Find My iPhone, and then the Google Home app, because Gonzalo does have a Google Home. So there's that. Then there's the most boring one, but it's necessary. This one is called bills. So I have my credit cards, I got my student loans, I have my regular bank app, emails are in here, my health app for my doctor's office. They use a mobile system, so I have that downloaded. This is kind of boring, but it's necessary, and if you want an easy way to pay your bills, just download the app. Stop using paper. It's not worth it. Just get all your stuff emailed to you. Get all your stuff paid online. It's so much easier. Paper doesn't exist anymore. Stop killing trees and just use your phone. That's why we have iPhones. Okay, I could go on a whole rant about that. Let's not talk about that. Okay. And then my last little pod here that I have on my phone is called YouTube. I have this on here because recently, as you guys know, I'm trying to post more on YouTube. I want to be more active on here. So I have the YouTube little pod here. In here, I have Fonto. If you don't know what Fonto is, that's how I edit my thumbnails and how you make thumbnails. you should definitely download that because that's like really good to make thumbnails. I have all the things in here that I use to make my intro. So it's Pocket Video, Adobe Draw, CuteCut Pro, and then the middle one is Motion Picture. But all of these things I use for YouTube stuff, editing, things like that I can do from the phone. I find it easier to do it on my phone than I do online, like on my laptop, because on the laptop you can't really do all this stuff from there. Like Fonto is like so good with getting like exact measurements of like thumbnail sizes or banner sizes or things like that, so it's really perfect in that aspect. So yeah, those are all my little things that I have. Just so you guys know, you don't have to have, like, I think it's stupid to have a picture and not be able to see the picture and just have a bunch of apps like right here. I don't like that for some reason. Like, I want to see my picture or my background photo there and then just keep all of my apps at the bottom. So you just put all your apps into one of these little pods, and then you just drag the pod all the way down into here, create 4 pods, and you can put as many apps as you want in each pod, so you're not clogging your entire screen with apps and like searching for apps. I just like to keep mine all separated in each little pod. That way I have them. But yeah, that is my iPhone. Not really exciting, but yeah, that's what's on it. I think it's pretty organized for an iPhone. I mean, it's clogged up with pictures. I would scroll through some pictures, but I have a lot of freaking pictures, and I'm not about to go through all of those freaking pictures. But yeah, so that is what's on my iPhone. I hope you guys enjoyed. So yeah, if you want to see what's on like my computer or anything like that, give this video a thumbs up. If you're interested in more videos like what's on my tech, we could do that. I did show you guys my Apple Watch, but yeah, that's about it. So yeah, that's what's on my iPhone. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one.